Right guys, I am about to do my packaging for my eBay. I've sold like 5 things, so that's pretty cool. So I need to send them, well, I need to pack them, so I'm going to do that now. Then I'm going to make some, no, then I'm not going to make some dinner yet. I'm then going to, what am I going to do? Pick an outfit for tomorrow because I have an event in the morning first thing. So I need to be on time. I don't think I even have time for the gym because I need to crack on in the morning. Yeah, and that's it. And then I'm going to make some dinner for me and Ash. Anyway, I'm starting to get hungry now, so let me sort my outfit out for tomorrow. I really don't know what to wear, guys. I'm struggling today. Normally I'm like on point. I know what to wear. I know, you know, I know the look I'm going for, but I am struggling a little bit because I need to be warm and I need to be well, I need to be warm and I need to make sure that I look smart, but cash and comfortable. I don't know. I'm just gonna have a look through my stuff. So I'm thinking this jumper, guys. So guys, that didn't actually take me long at all because I just saw this lovely, yummy, delicious wool jumper that I love, which I got from H&M a while ago. So I'm just going to pair this with a pair of black jeans, and then probably a chunky scarf, and then just my Topshop new long jacket. So I think that's warm enough. It's cozy. I'll probably wear a black vest underneath for the extra layer of warmth because we are actually going out for dinner tomorrow night. I would love to wear a pair of boots, but I'll see what the weather's saying in the morning, depending on if I wear boots or if I wear these trainers, because they've got that little bit of kind of beige in there as well, and I like these with kind of the beigey jumper. So yeah, so either boots or those trainers. I'll just decide in the morning which ones to go for. I was actually just thinking, guys, now I'm doing dressing room diaries. I actually have never done a dressing room tour. My room is exactly how I want it now, so I'd love to show you guys a bit more in detail about, like, you know, like what's in these drawers and like what's in these storage boxes here behind me and all of my cactus collection down here and things like that. Is that something you guys will be interested in? Like, definitely comment below if you want to see that. And then, you know, I can take this camera and go, you know, do close-ups on everything a little bit more and show you a bit more of an in-depth tour. I did do one a few years back, but my room has changed quite a lot since then, and my clothes have changed. Everything has changed a lot more since then, so it'd be probably good to do an updated version. So give me, you know, give me a comment or a like, and then I know what you guys are thinking. If you want to marinate the salmon and put some Cajun spice on it, and then put it on a foil piece of foil paper and an oven tray, and then we'll grill it. So I actually just wanted to show you a couple of quick things here. I actually got these espadrilles for like £3. Got a slight wedge. They're brand new, never been worn. They just don't have the tags on, and I just really like the natural colour on them. So let's hope they fit. Let me try one on. It's perfect, guys. Can you see that? I hope so. Close up for you. The second thing I got, guys, was these Black Faith high heels. I really like them. They're not too high. You can see from the heel, they're not too high. And they're kind of shoes that I wear for work. They're not necessarily my kind of street style or my kind of weekend style, because I wouldn't really wear stilettos or anything like this, but sometimes for work I just sometimes need a pair like this, a basic suede black stiletto that matches with, you know, like a skinny pair of trousers or a skinny pair of jeans, which just looks smart for an event. And they're small, so I can literally just put them on for my meeting and then just take them off and put them in my purse or my tote or whatever I've got with me that day.